Hey everyone, how's it going? So I'm back in Nepal. I've come back to Pokhara to visit a few friends that I made while I was here last time. So that's been really nice. Yeah, and while I was here, I couldn't really pass up the opportunity to do a bit more of one of my favorite activities, mountain biking. So if you remember last time I was here, I did some downhill mountain biking. If you haven't seen that video yet, you can check that out just up here. But today I'm going to do a bit more of a cross-country ride, just kind of around the Pokhara area, out to a few little villages and stuff as well, I think. So it absolutely bucketed down last night, so there's a lot of water around, so we might get a bit wet and muddy, but that's alright. Looks like it might rain again today also, which is a bit of a pity because the last couple of days have been absolutely stunning in the morning, super sunny and super beautiful, but these things happen. So yeah, I'm just gonna head back to the Pokhara mountain bike adventure place, and then we'll yeah, get on the road.
Bit of traffic. Alright, so we've come to our first serious climb, and the fact that I haven't ridden for about 6 months is becoming very evident. I'm doing a lot of pushing while Anil, way up ahead there, is powering up the hills. But I'm sure we get to go down soon. Easy, man, yeah? We've reached the Himalayan viewpoint, which is how high, Anil?
So it's like 1150, something like that?
1150, but it's all downhill from now, yeah?
Yeah.
I've walked up a lot, so I'm hoping to ride all the way down. We'll see.
Alright, so we've made it to the top of the hill now. Everything from here on is down. Just stopped for a bit of energy food, and then we're gonna go down the hill, which will be good because I've been doing a lot of pushing of the bike and I'm looking forward to riding a bit more.
So we've got a bit of a friend. I patted this dude while we were having lunch, and now he's just decided to come for a run with us. So we're a good couple of kilometers down the hill. He's keeping up, sort of getting in the way a bit, but when you're this cute, you get away with those sort of things.